Okay, I'm burning up. I'm melting like a candle. This is my last hive inspection of the day. I'm looking to see if I have eggs and larvae and cat brood. And I'm not sure where to put the camera so that you'll be able to see. So you'll just have to bear with me. There's a brick. Let me try this brick. I can't work one-handed. It's too sunny to see exactly what I have on the camera, so I'll have to look at it later. Pull one of those frames. And they actually are doing a honey super for me, doing really good on it, better than the other box is. It has more bees. Let's see, this one has, it's just an empty frame. There. Pollen maybe. This is all drone brood down here because the cells are bigger. This is, I don't think they're doing anything with drones right now. I think they're just working on filling those up with some honey. But I'm going to get rid of it anyways. We don't need it on there. Oh, I got one twist on me now. It's okay, dude. Okay. Put this back in here. There's some cat brood. Oh, there's larvae. Oh, the whole bottom of that is full of young larvae. So, she's not going to be on this frame more than likely. But she's been here this week. That one is also pretty full. She doesn't look like she's missing. It's hard to tell until it's cat, but I don't think she's missing too many cells in the way it looks in there. This is the one I suspect she might be on. Whoa, don't smash her. Good one, Sherry. See you, Mama. But again, this one is just full of tons and tons of. This one I'm checking today because it just hasn't grown hardly at all since the split, which was 2 months ago. So I'm thinking, okay, do I have a bad queen? So I decided I was going to get in the bottom box today and see what she was doing. It is just full of very young. So I think she was something either happened to my other queen and they made him a new one, and she's finally mated and laying, or she was a new one and just took her a little bit of time. I thought I saw her, but I didn't. Dang. I thought I saw her. Okay, I almost dropped this one a second ago, so I'm going to be more careful putting it back in there. I don't like these plastic frames. I guess you can't grip them. They slip and slide. Okay, babies. Here, let's smoke y'all out of the way. Excuse me. That's the sun. Look, I can see eggs. Okay, this one is full of pollen, which they absolutely have to have. And they've got brood. So this is where they're storing their pollen. Son of a bitch. I think I just get too hot. Can't see. Everything's slipping out of my hands. Lots and lots of pollen. More pollen, I think, than there is even Nectar flow. What is that noise? That's a bell. There's always got an issue. I'm going to draw and comb on this for honey, I'm sure. Okay. Well, we have 1, 2, 3. We have about 4 frames. About half the frames do not have, 5 frames do not have bees on them. So they're not ready for another option. Okay. Alright, so that's my kind of bee inspection. I'm not as worried about this one as I was all day today when I said I got to get home as fast as I can because I need to check my bees. This one, my big one, this is a honey box. They filled this one up with honey, but it's got a few frames of brood, so I really need to take this brood out and move it. But I've got a queen excluder here, so they can't get up here and do any more brood. But I really need to move my queen excluder. Bug. I really need to move my queen excluder down here. So then I just have 2 big brood boxes. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching.